you know, you're always yelling at your husband, you're a nagger, you're this, you're that, you're this. So what do you think if I will be soft-spoken for one day? You think I can survive?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, everything family. Good morning, guys. And ngayon, ano ngayon? Tuesday. And snow day. Pero sabi pa, kunti lang yung snow. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Mga kadramahan sa buhay natin, di ba? Look. Ano ba dyan? May konti pa isa. And then, pagkatapos niyan, kunin natin ito. And then, dyan, labahan na naman. Ay, labahan. Sinuot ko na yung binigay ni sister-in-law. And, aalis si Tami. Punta siya sa isang bahay para, bukas pa siya uwi. Para ano, tignan niya yung bahay. Sana hindi tignan, kung may snow, ma-shovel niya, di ba? And then, luckily, konti lang yung snow. Kasi, yung machine, andito sa amin. Yung machine. So, ang daming labahan, guys. Hindi, mugid. Kalo. Kasi ba ito? Ay. Ang pangit naman ang kalong ito. Punta tayo mamaya sa basement para ilagay natin yung yung inano namin ni Tami binili para sa floor para naman may space kasi marami pang space sa likuran. Hindi ko siya nasipog. Hindi ko na move yung ng pusa. Kailangan ko siya kasi 'di ba yung stairs patong basement. So, yung ilalim ng stairs, may space doon. Doon ko ilagay yung leather nila. And then, yun, para may space, para malagyan ko ng mga anik-anik. Sobrang ginaw. Iwan ko da, kaya ako kasi nagiginawan talaga ako. Hindi ko alam ano itong nararamdaman ko. Hi guys, it's almost 11 na. Nag-ano lang ako, may ginagawa lang ako. And also, itong mga nilalabhan ko, tumatayo-tayo. Ilagay ko to sa basement bay. Itong mga binili ni Tami, kasi hindi kasi siya makabili ng isa. Gusto niya maramihan. Yung parang ito ba, sabi ko, di ba? Ilagay natin sa basement. And also, yung vinyl, English. Ready na tayo. Ilagay ko na sila para doon na natin Hindi ko pa nilabhan ito. Obviously, the washing machine is moving. La 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 la. La what I do. I did it na 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 na. Lord, blesses you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Gawin ko lang. Hindi ko siya makuha. Isa-isa. Ay, ang ginaw sa baba, oy. Ang ginaw. Grabe. Okay, nadagdagan na naman guys. Kita ninyo. Yun yung mga namin. Nadagdagan. Dito ilagay yung mga importanteng gamit sa bin para ilagay natin dahan-dahan yung mga importanteng gamit. And yan, ito siya. Ikakat natin yan. Maghanap tayo ng magandang Ito pa hindi ko pa to na-arrange. Yung mga ito. Ito yung book na sinabi ko, guys. Look, Harvard, pula. And Yun. Yung iba, hindi Harvard. Yung iba, Harvard. And marami pa sa taas sa attic. And ito yung neon. Neon ba yan? Neon na telephone. I don't know why. Dinala niya yan dito. Kailangan kong maglinis. And ito, I don't know what is this. Rye, scotch. Oh my God. Kahit ito dinala ni Tami, hindi ko na siya mag-gets talaga. Ito yung mga ziplock. Ang dami, guys. So, ito ngayon, di ba, may nakaali pa. So, kukunin natin yan. Okay? And then, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag matapos tayo. Okay? Anuhin ko muna si Tami kasi andun siya sa, shower. Bago tayo mag-start. Mamaya na tayo mag-start dito kasi hintayin natin si Mr. matapos. So, guys, alam nyo, ayaw kong magpa-pretend na maging soft-spoken ako. Kasi I'm not a soft-spoken person. Like, ganun ba? Huwag kang ganyan. Hindi ako magpa-pretend na iba akong tao. Ayaw kong maging acting na I won't acting up like I'm a soft-spoken person. I'm going to act kung sino ako, okay? Kung paano ako magsalita, parang galit, maano yung boses, yes, ganun po talaga ako. Kung hindi nyo ako gusto, kung ayaw nyo ganong vlog, na parang, kasi may ibang tao na gusto, may iba kasi, most of the vlogger kasi, soft-spoken, parang perfect, parang yung the life is just perfect, like, oh my God, it's perfect, soft-spoken, never get angry in front of the camera, but, kung ako, ayaw kong maging fake, I mean, yung parang, I pretend na soft-spoken, if I vlog and then I'm with Tami and then I will speak like kind of like sound, like that, because ganun ako, because that's who I am. Because that's who I am. And in my dialect in the Philippines, the way we speak, well, actually not everybody, there's some people out there in my province that when they get angry, they're very soft, okay? That's their personality, okay? Personality nila yun. Pero mostly sa province namin, from Surigao, ano kami magsalita? Parang galit, parang always galit, parang ganon. We have that thing. I cannot change, okay? I can't change and I can't pretend to be like other vlogger out there na nakikita ninyo sa YouTube na very quiet, very hindi ko alam, ang dami yan, mostly, okay? There's nothing you can see on YouTube that being real. Honestly, everything is fake, okay? So, I mean, it's not all fake, but sa YouTube kasi, you can edit and you can act. You can act to be like the perfect couple. You can act to be like soft-spoken. You can act like you are the perfect wife. You can act like, but me, I act like who I am. Kung sino talaga ako. Maraming nagsasabi sa YouTube, if you started, if you're going to start YouTube, you have to be you, like that. But in the end, when their YouTube is growing, their acting changes. Like there are changes. Like when their YouTube is growing, everything is changes. Like they have to act like professional. May mga professional naman, pero parang yung life is sobrang perfect. Kaya most of them are like, the viewers are enjoying to watch. Oh my God, they have a perfect life. I hope my life is like that. Nothing is perfect in this world. And ako naman, ayaw kong magpa-pretend na I'm a soft-spoken. Kasi ang daming nagsasabi, from the beginning of my video, from the beginning of my vlog, tons of people saying, you act like, you always yelling at your husband, you're a nagger, you're this, you're that, you're this. I won't survive, itong marriage namin ni Tami won't survive if I'm really that like crazy. Ito yung ako, kung ano yung nakikita ninyo, ito yung ako, magsalita ako, and Tami understand naman, kasi nagmataga, 13 years, guys. So, kapag hindi niya ako, yeah, sometimes he would say something, oh my God, you're like, why your voice is always like that? Like, kind of like, always angry, always mad. But he knows. I explained to him. Even when I talk to my sisters, I'm like that. I talk to my family, I am like that. Ganon ako. Hindi na yun magbabago. Ganon na kami magsalita ng mga parang hindi na yun matatanggal sa ano ko. Kung matatanggal man yan sa ano ko, fake na ako. Kung matatanggal, kung mawawala man yan sa vlog ko, remember this, naging fake na ako sa inyo at hindi na ako naging totoo sa sarili ko rin. Hindi lang sa inyo, sa sarili ko, hindi na nga ako maging totoo. So, gusto kong maging kung sino ako, ganun ako mag-act. May camera, wala, ganun talaga ako. And kung ano yung mga nakikita ninyo sa amin ni Tami, like mga argue, totoo yun. In real life, talagang ganun din kami. Mag-argue, ganun. After that, smiling, laplapan, laplapan, tawanan, hug. So, ganyan kami. Matagal na, guys. Ganyan talaga kami. For example, may counting argument. And then, pagkatapos niyan, wala. Tawanan, halikan, hug, ganon. Yun kami, guys. As in, matawa kami sa sarili namin. I will give you example. Kapag mag-argue kami and then wala na kaming masasabi sa isa't isa, magtingin na lang kami, magtawanan na lang kaming dalawa at yun, maging okay na naman. Yun yung kami, guys. So, yun sa mga, kung ayaw ninyo sa akin, hindi ko naman kayo pino-force na dito kayo sa ganito, ganyan ako. Kasi may mga taong feeling gusto nila perfect yung life, baka iba-iba naman yung personal natin, 'di ba? And ako, katulad nito, yung personality nito is tulog lang, nakabikaka. Nakabikaka lang taon siya, guys. Ganyan, just like me, you know. Matutulog, nakabikaka, kain ng kain. Damn! What are you doing, Damn? Why you open your legs? Oh, that's not a ladylike. Be like your mother. Be like your mother, Damps. Hey. Hi, Damp. Hello. Hi, baby. Nakabika ka. Mama's filming. Are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed, baby? Taba chuchoy naman na, baby. Oy. Hey. Taba chuchoy naman na. Taba chuchoy. So, yun, guys. And, yun, wala na. Yun lang yung ko sa inyo na ayoko magpa-pretend talaga. You know, sometimes, dahil sa mga comment na ganon, mag-isip ako. Paano kaya kung maging soft-spoken ako? Try ko nga. Hindi kaya, guys. Tataas talaga boses ko. Parang ganun na talaga ako. So, hindi ko kayang maging soft-spoken. May naalala ako na may nakilala ako noon na very soft-spoken person, as in. And hindi ko magets, galit na siya pero ang soft pa rin. Parang ang sarap galitin kasi kahit galit na, soft pa rin, na parang SpongeBob. Scorpions. Yun. May mga ganon. And also, may mga tao naman na kaya nilang maging soft-spoken kahit yung personality nila is iba. May mga ganon. So, yun. Pero ako hindi kaya, guys. Makikita talaga ninyo. Mag-meet tayo and hindi pala ako soft-spoken. So, paano na yan? Sabi na, ay, pangit pala ito. Ay, hindi pala to soft-spoken si Maryann Realitytv, mga ka-everything. Ano pala ito? Matigas magsalita at saka, ang ingay. Ang boses ko talaga is mataas. At saka parang maingay ba? Maingay. Parang, parang high note perme palagi. Pag magkita tayo na, ganon. Parang tayo? Parang, iba pala talaga ito si Maryann, Pero, paminsan, maging quiet ako, ganon. Pero, yung parang hindi mapasalita, pag magdahan-dahan, parang tinatry ko ba, yung parang bago pang mga kilala, ganon. So, tinatry kong hindi maging pasalita kasi bagong kilala, hindi pa natin alam, baka itawid, palabasin tayo, ay ang ingay mo.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What's up, guys? My wife tells me that people are saying that she's always very mean, but this is how she talks. It's just the way she speaks. It's not, I don't take it personal. You can see I don't get crazy with it because it's just how she is. It's, people have their own personalities. That's hers. She just has that snappy comeback kind of thing.
And we survived for 13 years, right? Or else you leave me already, I guess.
You know, we survive. We're still here. We're still going. We're still moving.
But you accept me, honey, even though my voice is always mad and sound
Even
like...
she's wearing a sweatshirt, but she doesn't know who that band is.
Honey, wait, what is this band? It's this Isabel give me. It's you or Isabel?
I don't know. Probably Isabel.
I think Isabel.
Yeah, but I'm saying you don't even know who they are.
No, I don't know who. Pink
Floyd.
I don't know who's Hala Floyd.
Pink Floyd.
Who's Floyd, the one who died? It's an old white, black and white.
It's a band.
I know. Is it black and white
Why
now?
is it black and white?
Because old.
It's music. Music doesn't come in colors.
No, because if they do like black and white concert like that.
No.
No.
Concerts were concerts. They were live concerts.
So what do you think if I will be soft-spoken for one day? You think I can survive?
I don't think she would make it. I don't think she could last an hour. We've had this bet before. She hasn't made it yet.
Yeah. Sorry, honey. Your wife is like this.
I go and have a cigarette.
Bye.
She can yell at you guys.
Okay guys, rice time. I need to cook rice. Kasi wala na pala akong rice. I don't have a rice. Yesterday ba, we went to Home Depot and I forgot to buy a pot. A flower pot. But I forgot because my husband is rushing.
Why is that shit crazy?
Han, this is snowing, Han. Oh my God, you drive careful, huh? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's gonna get hard. I don't know why you leave late. I don't want you to leave, but my God. I guess I will share the later, huh? Night time. It's 11:30 na ngayon, guys. Okay. Are you guys cold? It's snowing naman. Hello. Misty, get out over there. Oh, are you gonna bring your laptop? Yeah, listen to me, hon. Try to cool the thing, okay? No, you probably won't. I know you. He's packing. Elvis Presley, huh? The other one in the house is a clock?
Yes.
The same picture, right?
No.
Looks like the same. You don't make it. You bought it.
No, but I said I used to make those kind of things.
Really?
Yeah.
Honey, that's the you know, hon, in the Philippines, honey, that's the kind of frame we have, old frame. It's attached. You cannot get the picture. It's attached like that. Laminated, yeah. That's really my mother's wedding picture, big one. They lost it because of the typhoon, ruined it. It's a like that bigger one version.
You shouldn't ruin the picture.
It's very old. It's all get rotten and missing, and I don't know where it is. I miss that picture. I like that picture. That's the only picture they have. And the thing is, we are very young then, and there's no camera, and there's nothing. We live very poor. We live in the forest. Give me a hug. Jack and who is that? Jack and Rose.
Jack and Jill. Maryann.
Love you too. There's no guys. Oh, it's so nice and pretty, but it's scary. I will talk to you. I will call you.
Okay.
Drive. Did you get your brush and shit?
Yep.
Mask? Bye. I'm going in.
Yep.
Love you.
You too.
Bye. Oh my God. And it's kind of wet. I can hear. Naririnig ko. So parang basa na snow. Basa siya. So mahirap ito tanggalin. Oh God. Naririnig. Basta maririnig mo yung snow na basa yan. Basa na snow. That means mahirap i-shovel. And actually, dito ako para maghanap ng pang-lunch. Meron na tayong rice ngayon, wala nang tayong ulam. Tami, pumunta siya sa Home Depot, di ba? Home Depot sa Costco. Ngayon, ang daming biniling spam. So, meron ako ditong spam. Bumili pa talaga siya ng marimi. Asa na yun? Yes, bumili siya ng spam. Pero hindi ko makita kung asa. Mag-beef instant noodles tayo! Beef instant noodles! Punta, magsabaw lang pala. Mamaya na yung rice dinner. Ito. Sabaw tayo. Madali lang ito, guys. Mag-init ka lang ng tubig na sobrang high. Magbukal-bukal agad yan. And then yun. Nagis na pa rin. Kahit ano na. Basa yung snow, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Maybe, ano ako, guys. Nakatulog ako. And it's already 3:38. Nakatulog talaga ako. Sabi ko matulog ako kasi yung mata ko sobrang sakit. Anong plano? Walang plano, baby. Mama is walang plano. Walang plano. Ba't madilim? Madilim. Madilim, baby. Madilim. Bakit walang plano? Mama, walang plano si mama. Walang plano si mama. No. Tayo-tayo lang kasi dito. Tayo lang. Tayo-tayo. Okay, guys. So, continue tayo sa basement. Hanap tayo ng scissor. Swissor. Hey. No. You cannot come in here. Oh my God. Itong pusang to. Ay, nako. So, ngayon, guys. Ikakat ko lang yan. Pero bago natin yan ikat. Bago ko ito ikat, guys, punta tayo doon sa may pusa. And then, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya pag matapos na ako nagagawin. Pero yun siya. Hi guys! Tapos na po ako. Uy, pakita ko pala sa inyo. So, tapos na po ako nagbihis lang ako. Ito yung noon. Nung dito pa yung nila. So, ang binili pala ni Tami. Hi, Hubs! Ang binili ni Tami, iba. Look. So, iba. Ang plano talaga dito is tile. For now, hindi pa namin ma-tile kasi wala pang time. And ayaw kong mag-tile si Tami. Okay lang naman si Tami, pero kapag mag-start kasi yun, si Tami, hindi niya tatapusin. So, yun yung problema talaga sa kanya. So, yun. Ngayon, ito siya. Ito yung wall. Yung cement. Pinaka-end. So, yan. Yung cement. So, plano dito talaga yung freezer. At saka yung parang lalagyan ng mga gamit. So, ito siya. Dito. Dito yung hagdanan pataas. At dito yung sa basement. And then yan. Yan. And, so yan. Inano ko siya, bago pa kasi kaya siya dito. Kailangan siya nanuhin talaga. Ito, bago pa. At saka pagdating dito, iba na naman. Nahirapan ako kanina, guys, dahil sa pagkakat sa mga edges. Yung mahirap. And, yun, ito, ilagay ko to sa, tignan nyo ito si House. Door po ito, guys. Diba? Yun, dyan. And then, pagdating dito, hindi talaga ako marunong, guys. Gusto ko lang talaga siya i-cover to protect, si Dimples. Kasi dito si Dimples, eh. So, yan, dito yun ng lagim. I-protect ko itong yung wall, yung floor na cement. Kailangan ko lang siyang protektahan. So, yan. So, pagdating dyan, hopefully, mapinta, ko na dito. Gusto kong i-paint ng puti. Ito yung buong bahay, ganito yung color ng wall. So, gusto kong pinta dito ng puti, pero hindi ko alam kung kailan. And dito, may light. Pagdating dito, may door, diba? May door dito. And then, walang light. So, pagdating dito, andito na yung gamit nila. May umihi. Okay, are you done? Are you done, Pipi? Are you done, Pipi? At saka nilagyan ko ng Pipi pads just in case, So, may space na dito. Malaki talaga yung space dito, guys. Kaya nasasayang yung nilalagyan namin dyan ng boundary. Nasasayang yung other space. Look, tumaas yung snow. Nakikita nyo naman yan. Na-cover talaga. Akala namin konti. Hello, guys. Yung sister-in-law ko nagtitext. Sabi pa niya, how's the shoveling? Sabi ko, nope. I'm not shoveling. Nag-shovel daw yung asawa niya. Siya naman sa back porch daw. Napagod ako sa sabi ko, I'm not shoveling. Probably, maybe later. And the dog eat their dinner. That means they want some treaties. Luto lang tayo ng spam. Nagluto ako ng spam kasi, look, I feel like eating some spam with rice, yun. At gusto kong may egg, pero bukas na yung egg. Magluto tayo ng egg bukas. I know. She's looking at me like, Mama, you changed something here. That I came down here to check Dimples. Because I know for sure she's curious what's happening. And Hubs is kinda nosy. She wants to know too. Look at this. Everything is changes here, Mama. What is wrong, Mama? So now, gusto kong malaman kung anong ginawa nito. Kung nalaman ba niya kung saan yung pee-pee pads. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yun, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night, Rox. Misty. Night. Night, guys.